Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate some reps and then we'll talk about it. So when it comes to the setup, we're going to want that cable set above shoulder height, maybe a couple clicks on the cable above shoulder height. You can see it's, maybe 2 or 3 clicks above my shoulder here. And what that's going to let us do is it's going to let us lean forward into the movement and keep the wire along our traps at all times. And so I want the wire, this cable part, to be along my traps the whole time, making contact with you throughout the whole set. Next, we're going to take a step forward with the same side leg. So if you're working your left hand, take a step forward with your left, working your left arm, take a step forward with your left leg. It's going to help you fight the counter-rotational or the rotational forces a bit better. Once you take that little step forward, I want you to lean into the movement a little bit, because as you're bringing this cable back, I don't want it to pull you back. And so you'll be a bit more stable if you kind of bend the knees in a bit of an athletic stance and you lean into the movement just a little bit. Next, I want you to fully extend the elbow out in front of the shoulder, and as you bend that elbow is going to actually travel back as well. So it's not this movement that you're just bending at the elbow, you're also bringing it back. And so it's a little bit more like a punching motion. You're punching the weight out, and you're bending at the elbow, but you're also bringing it back. I like to think, when I'm in this position, just about bringing the knob of the cable directly back to my shoulder. And what ends up happening is that elbow travels back as I do that. It has to, right? If I just bent at the elbow and I didn't move the shoulder, my arm would move across my body. And so think of it more as a punching motion. And the last thing I want to show you guys is that the elbow shouldn't be up and flared and shouldn't be entirely tucked at your side. It should be roughly on a 45-degree angle. Let me get a straight on view for you guys. And so you can see my elbow is a little tucked. It's not flared up like this. It's not tucked at my side. It's just loosely and comfortably out on a slight 45-degree-ish angle. Keeping that cable along my trap at all times, letting my elbow travel back, and punching the weight out.